Welcome to the FabLite tutorial. I'm your FabLite expert, John, and whether you're just checking out our software, just got your own brand new FabLite, or you're already experienced with FabCreator and want to see if there are any new tricks, this series is for you. In this video, we're going to show you how to install FabCreator, install the material database for your machine, and how to open files for use on your FabLite. If you want to see more of this kind of content from us, give it a thumbs up to let us know it's useful, and subscribe to our channel as we release more tutorial videos. Have an idea for a video or want to see how something is done on FabCreator or on a FabLite? Let us know in the comments. Let's get started. First things first, we need to install FabCreator on our machine. You can visit us at 3dfablite.freshdesk.com and log into your Freshdesk account to get access to our software and databases. From there, you'll download the latest version of FabCreator. You can also download the database for your machine here as well, if it has not already been provided for you. It's important to download the database for your specific machine. For the FL4500, you should be downloading the FL4500 database. Downloading a database meant for another machine type and cutting on it could create errors or worse, damage your machine. Once downloaded, double-click on the file. You may receive a warning like this that says this program is not safe. If you downloaded the FabCreator software from our Freshdesk website or from your FabLite sales rep or support technician, then rest assured that our software does not contain any malware. This error is because we have not yet certified our software. To bypass this error, click on More Info and then Run Anyway to accept and continue the installation. During the installation process, do not deselect Install MFC Libraries on the Choose Components dialog window, and click Install. Once complete, go to FabCreator and run the software. This is FabCreator. The very first thing we need to do here is install your database. Go to Edit, Preferences, General, and the Material Database tab. Click on the three-dot button next to the appropriate power level to specify the location of the database file on your computer. Your database file should be stored in a folder on your computer that cannot be easily deleted or accessed by others. The database contains your material settings and any other material settings you customize yourself or receive specially from us. While we're here, we're also going to configure units quickly. Switch over to the Unit tabs and select the units you would like to use in your software. Click OK. To recap, you can download our FabCreator software and material database from our Freshdesk website. You may get a warning when you try to install our software. We promise it's okay. Now you're ready to start importing files into FabCreator and preparing them for your FabLite. Join us in our next video where we'll show you how to do all of that and more. Remember, cut right, cut with FabLite.